Uba Ardent mila besaya moy u Presiden ka Voice of the People Party uba long ru MLA ka Nongkrem Constituency. Haga jingsan ran lang MLA ka MLA Constituency uba bra Stelwell mar banyang menta kasi ka khat pratari unai wing ar haja ar pusan ulalai pedbu daga shithi sha menteri rang ba ka jilla U Conrad ke sangma hadin bemi ka jingkan tho no menteri rang ba ka jilla hakini ki khandial si balale ka bayade bat ke MLA Skhim. Hakane kasmi haba ajingkran cikilat pathai khubor uba Ardent ula ong bahadin kecingkran unang menteri rang ba kajilla uba la ong ba MLA Skhim hakaba ki constituency ki ba mi khmat da MLA kalyang persha kim long ki bayai bayai runti kumta na kalyang ka WPP kala ai da kecing tho bandawana u menteri rang ba un thau da kecing Tohkit ka balai luat ban sdang ban Tohkit ki kecing menteri kami MLA Skhim nadu usnam ar hajar pra. Pada kawas sedang na Nongkrem Constituency, bat sapun buat pad ekiwe ki constituency.
Ba kamdon karu kam pentri kam kapanjanai yang agwede bakem MLA Skhim. Dan nagaliang ka juni, bat nagaliang ka jawab present iwan malai ni jitho bandawan us chimsa budi ban thau da ka jing Tohkit mo balai independent inquiry. Bat ban sedang ban Tohkit ia ki jimpen rekam ik MLA Skhim nadu usinem arjar pra. Bata ka bakistang na Nongkrem Constituency pas penbuat parti kiwi constituency aja. Agani ka sini nagaliang ka jini kumka party, nagaliang ka jina president, bat jini pride, stawel, tulong kami ni cuma mulai. Iwan ban ai agani ka shithi, abu chief minister, ka shithi hakibidi bat jini penteri kami ka MLA Skhim. Kaba kalami ke jingkan tho na kaliang ka jong chief minister ba ka jingpentri kam ya ke MLA Skhim ha kham tam ini ki constituency balami khmat tak di yang persya mo dak ba tho se ke jing tho ko ba khambon se ka Voice of the People Party kamilong ka ba pet se ka ba tikana te gani ki shithi ka long kum ne mo man puli khliap dan saya copy dan sub copy to U Conrad sama Honorable Chief Minister Government of Italia shwa from Ardent MLA Skhim MLA President Voice of the People Party Nongkrem Constituency East Council District subject implementation of MLA schemes. Dear Mr. Conrad, on behalf of the Voice of the People Party, I take this opportunity to write to you this letter in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes. Our attention has been drawn by your recent statement in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes, where you had expressed your concern about the manner in which MLA schemes are implemented, especially in constituencies representing by members belonging to the opposition. I would like to appreciate your concern and apprehensions when you decide to question whether MLA schemes have been properly utilized or not. I fully endorse your sentiment that MLA schemes should be properly utilized and implemented in a transparent manner. I would also like to bring to your notice that as a party which believes in transparency and accountability, it had already written a letter to all its MLAs to ensure that implementation of MLA schemes should be implemented in a transparent manner. Therefore, in this connection, I would like to take a cue from your statement and express my sincere desire for an independent inquiry into the implementation of MLA schemes in the state to be immediately constituted by the government. I would further suggest that you initiate this investigation from the year 2008 onwards, starting from 22 Nongkrem Constituency and subsequently to be followed by other constituencies. I hope you will seriously consider this matter so that the people of the state will be more informed about the entire issue. This is